Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, here is that Lionel gondola that I repaired with the coin. And as you see, it works absolutely perfectly. And for right now, I just mounted some trucks on here. Yeah, I got these long screws. So I'll either get some shorter screws or just cut these off. Anyway, this was a Lionel gondola that was really, really badly broken. And I just epoxied a quarter in there, drilled a hole in it, and that has repaired it. So I mounted two Marks trucks with screws, two plastic knuckle couplers, and as you see, I now have a working piece of rolling stock where, like I said, this thing just came in a box of junk parts. And it will now couple with Marks, since it has Marks trucks. So I just thought I would do a quick video on how simple it is to repair these things. And you can take some real junk and then just in a matter of minutes turn it into a usable piece of rolling stock, a locomotive, whatever. Anyway, I just want to do a quick video on this. It's really simple. It's easy. Like I said, I'll get some either smaller screws or I'll just cut these off. But I just wanted to put this together just to see how it fits, and it fits fine. It works really, really well. As you see, it is now a Marks car. So all four of these started out as Lionel gondolas, and I replaced the trucks on all of them. And this all was just junk from eBay, all of it. And just like this thing, just a broken artifact, really. Couldn't be used for anything. And then just a couple of minutes work, just use a quarter. Drilled a hole in it, gave me a chance or a place to mount that truck, and it's up and running. So just a follow-up on these repairs. This is really simple to do. A lot of this stuff you can repair in just a matter of minutes. So I just want to do a quick follow-up video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.